Hello everyone, you are watching Daily Court Updates with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will be presenting daily updates from courts around the country. Starting with Supreme Court of India, the Supreme Court today refused to entertain a public interest litigation petition seeking changes to school curriculum by including chapters on geography and history of Northeast India. A bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha said that these matters are falling within the domain of executive and the parliament, and the court cannot pass any orders. Moving forward towards our next report, the Supreme Court of India today agreed to examine the pay parity between Consumer Commission member and district judges. A bench will determine whether the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission members should be paid the same salary as district judges. While a bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha refused to entertain the prayer regarding tenure extension, it agreed to consider the issue with respect to salary. Our next update is coming from Vizhinjam protest. The Kerala High Court today sought the views of central government about deploying Central Reserve Police Force at Adani Vizhinjam port construction site. While the state police continues to maintain the law and order outside the site where the protests are ongoing, Single Judge Justice Anu Sivaraman ordered the state government and central government to have a discussion on possibility of same and inform the court of its consensus. Our next update is also from Kerala, where 4 persons who are allegedly accused in Telangana horse trading case, dubbed Operation Lotus, have approached the Kerala High Court seeking anticipatory bail. Justice K. Babu noted that they have not yet been arraigned as accused in the crime registered by Telangana police and granted them protection from arrest till Monday. Our last update is from Bombay, where the Bombay High Court today made prima facie observation that the Johnson & Johnson baby powder manufactured at company's Mulund facility in Maharashtra adhere to legal requirements on quality. The court opined that before passing any orders, it will hear state government on the reports received after retesting of samples from the company's Mulund facility. Thank you for watching this video. To read in detail about these updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.